Hey loves, it's JB and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install French braids using human hair. Eayonhair sent me 3 bundles of 18-inch Loosewave human hair. I'm using some Braid Gel to clean up my parts. And this is the layout for my braids. I apply some braiding gel to the human hair to keep it intact when I'm separating so I don't lose any hair. So this is how the braids look so far. So I'll be using small 5 pieces for my braids. Using a rat tail comb, I'm going to be making a window for my braid. I smooth down the base of braid gel and then comb it right through. Then I split the section into 3 so I can be able to braid. I forgot to mention that I'm doing knotless braids, so I would do like 3 plaits. Then I would slide the human hair between my index finger and middle finger and just braid as usual. This took me so long to achieve, like this is like my first time doing knotless. But you know, after like the 30th try, I think I seem to get a hang of it. So I braid until I reach about like 3 inches of the braiding hair, and I just take a little piece of hair and I tie a knot 2 times. Then for better security, I use nail glue to seal it. So as you can see, you saw that there's some frays, so I just take some scissors and cut them off. So this is all the hair I have left. I'll show you how I do the front of my hair. You smooth down the roots. Then you rake the product through. Separate your 3 parts to braid. Then you feed in your human hair. Braid, braid, braid until you get to 3 inches. Then make 2 knots to secure. trim the frizz. I'm evening out the ends so they have more of a uniform shape. To enhance the ends, I'm going to wet them and then add argan oil curl defining mousse. I rake the product through, smooth it through, and then scrunch it to enhance the curls. Finally, I'm going to oil my scalp to prevent dryness. And here are the results. I think it came out wonderful. The hair is soft and it's full, it's beautiful. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.